Introducing the Seed Bead Project Sorter, a must-have tool for every beader. These rectangular trays are designed to simplify the process of organizing your seed beads while working on your jewelry projects. Crafted with convenience in mind, our sorter serves as a temporary container, making it ideal for those on the go. Each sorter is equipped with 24 compartments, allowing you to neatly organize your seed beads, keeping them in perfect order. The neutral color of these sorters provides an optimal background for your beads, allowing you to clearly see each color in detail. Using the sorter is a breeze. Use with a bead mat that is at least 11 inches wide. Pour your beads into each of the holes, creating distinct compartments for your various colors and sizes. When you've completed your project, lift the sorter and make cleanup a snap. Adding our Scoop-Eaze tool, a handy accessory, you can effortlessly sweep up your beads. With the Seed Bead Project Sorter in your toolkit, you'll streamline your bead organization process, making your jewelry design journey all the more enjoyable.